Let's check out these 100-hour emergency liquid candles made by Sterno. They sent me these for free to try out, but just know that the thoughts I'm going to share are my own. I'm always a fan of being prepared, and having light when there's a power outage is kind of important to me. Batteries will only get you so far, so it's nice to have an option like these liquid candles for long-term storage. The container's made out of plastic and has a pretty wide base, measuring about 3.5 inches. It seems like it would be pretty difficult to knock over by accident. Stick around till the end, and I'll try intentionally knocking it over to test the advertised self-extinguishing feature. First, let's light this thing and see what it looks like. Okay, so it seems to have a pretty clean burning flame, which is good. Be aware that you should only use this in areas with adequate ventilation. I definitely would not use one of these in a confined space for a long period of time. With most of my lights turned off, it has pretty good light output. It seems like it would work great in a power outage. It's easy to blow out, which is both good and bad. Without something to shield the flame, this definitely would not work well in a windy environment. Let's try out that self-extinguishing feature. I'm not brave enough to try this inside, so I'll test this outside on the concrete. Before I even light it, notice how there's this little metal collar that falls over the wick when I tip it. That looks like it must be the extinguishing mechanism. Alright, let's try it for real. Nice, it totally works. That's a pretty smart feature. Hats off to Sterno for thinking that one through. When you want to put the candle away, you can just snap on the little protective cap so you don't have to worry about it leaking. Note that it will definitely drip out if you turn it upside down without the cap on. Ask me how I know. Alright, well I hope you found this useful, and I'll catch you in the next one.